How are you, sir? You guys in the pool biz? Solar pump, pumping the water, heating the water for free off the sun.
Really?
Yeah. What do you do yourself? Are you a builder?
No.
What do you guys do?
We have 6 retail stores, service and repair.
Yeah, well, you're walking by the best product here, man. This is what you want in your store. This is a DC motor. It's our SunRay pump. Runs free off the sun. That's 2 solar panels. We go at the 0.5 horsepower, 1 and 2 horsepower for your store. Any customer that walks in that says, hey, I want my swimming pool off the grid. I'm sick of this utility bill.
Yeah.
You can say, we have the SunRay pumps here, ma'am. Couple panels anywhere on your prop. You can go ahead and take that pool right off the grid. It's really easy. So it's the best product. You're going to find a lot of people are a little frustrated by that utility bill now.
Yeah.
I'm getting calls from Kentucky, all over the place. But you can see, they run cool, move a lot of water.
What's the gallons per minute on this?
Well, they'll max out a wet end, but after plumbing and everything, it's 80, 90. Yeah. It'll max out whatever the plumbing's going to do.
Typical square flange.
I made this motor, double sealed it, best bearings from Japan in it, stainless steel shaft, square flange. It'll go on any wet end. So if they have a Pentair or Hayward, you can say, oh, you can put the DC motor on the wet end.
Okay.
Yeah. And then here's our pricing. Let me show you the heater, which is more astonishing. How you doing?
Good, how are
Put
you?
your fingers in there, careful, it's hot. So this runs on 4 solar panels. So it's the same thing. This is our new Nano heater. This is our new Nano heater, and it heats water free off the sun. So that's our 20K right here. This is 10 grand, $6,000 after tax credit. Now,
Where does that go?
that goes right by the pool equipment.
Okay.
There's a shell over it, so it looks a little more handsome.
Okay.
But other than that, that goes by the pool equipment. You plumb it in right after your filter or before your heater. And then the solar panels go anywhere on your property again, as long as it gets good sun, but it's also a hybrid, so it works at night as well on the grid. Yeah. So now they can pump their water for free and heat their water for free. And it works to the T.
So what about the ambient air temperature? Does that affect?
Well, you want to cover those pools.
Yeah.
No, this can run at minus 60 degrees Fahrenheit. So
What's the heat rise with that?
10 degrees.
10 degrees?
Coming in, coming out.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, so it builds up on a pool.
Yeah.
More superior than a thermal water heater deal.
Okay. Perfect. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks guys.
Thanks.
Yes, sir.
Good to see you.
Nice
Good
to meet you.
customer
Yeah.
service. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Yes, ma'am.